Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, now we see the problem number 7, which is based on rules of integration of chapter integration. The problem number 7 is integral 2 dx upon square root of x minus square root of x plus 3. Now let's see the solution. First of all, I is equal to integral 2 dx upon square root of x minus square root of x plus 3. Since here the radical part present in the denominator, so on rationalizing denominator we get is equal to integral, in the denominator we write first bracket root x minus root x plus 3, and the rationalizing term, that is root x plus root x plus 3 in the second bracket, and in the numerator we write 2 as it is, and the rationalizing term, that is root x plus root x plus 3 bracket complete into dx. Now in the denominator we apply the formula that a minus b in one bracket and a plus b in the second bracket, so that equal to a square minus b square. So by using this formula we get integral 2 bracket root x plus root x plus 3 bracket complete into dx upon root x the whole square minus root x plus 3 the whole square. Now on simplifying further we get 2 bracket root x plus root x plus 3 into dx. It means numerator we write as it is upon, now square and root cancel, we left with only x, then minus, again here square and root cancel, so we left with x plus 3. But here the middle sign is a minus, so on simplifying further we get minus x minus 3 is equal to integral 2 bracket root x plus root x plus 3 into dx we write as it is in the numerator. In denominator, if you observe plus x minus x cancel, so we left with minus 3 in the denominator. Since here 2 and minus 3, these are the constant term, so we take minus 2 upon 3 outside the integral sign. Root x plus square root of x plus 3 bracket complete into dx we write as it is. Now by using rules of integration, this can be written as is equal to minus 2 by 3 integral root x dx plus integral square root of x plus 3 dx, and we have to complete the square bracket finally. So on simplifying further, we get is equal to minus 2 by 3, we write as it is. Then integral root x means x raise 1 by 2 dx plus integral root x plus 3 means x plus 3 raise 1 by 2 dx, and finally square bracket complete is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Now here we use power rule of integration, that is integral x raised n dx is equal to x raised n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, provided n not equal to minus 1. So by using this rule, above integration can be written as x raised 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. Then we write plus sign as it is. We apply same rule for the second integral. So we get x plus 3 raised 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. And finally the square bracket completed. After that we write plus c. Now here c represent constant of integration. So on simplifying further, we get minus 2 by 3 in bracket x raised. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 on cross multiplying gives us 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, then plus x plus 3 raised 1 by 2 plus 1 on cross multiplying gives 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 bracket complete plus c. Now if this 3 by 2 we take in numerator, so it becomes 2 by 3, and from both term we take 2 by 3 common. So we have minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, and in bracket we write x raised 3 by 2 plus x plus 3 raised 3 by 2 bracket complete plus c. So that gives us now minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4, and 3 into 3, that is 9. It means minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 gives minus 4 by 9 into, in bracket, x raised 3 by 2 plus x plus 3 raised 3 by 2 plus c. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.